How to put anime in English on Crunchyroll. Hello guys and welcome back. So in this tutorial I'm gonna tell you that how you can put your anime in English on Crunchyroll. So for that, first of all, you'll have to open your Crunchyroll application. And once you've opened the application, you'll be redirected to your home page. Now over here, you'll be able to see this browse option at the bottom of your screen. And what you have to do is click on this browse. And now here, all of your anime will be displayed. Now click on this filter icon over here. And once you're here, you'll be able to see this all subtitle and dubbed options under the language option. Now here, you'll have to select the dubbed option and then click on update filters. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see all of your animes in dubbed. And if you want to watch a specific anime in English, so click on the search icon and search for the specific anime. For example, if I'm searching for this one, and when you've searched for the anime, you'll be able to see this dubbed and sub option under the seasons and episodes. So that is how you can change your anime in English on Crunchyroll, and you can even search for the specific anime with English. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.